ठीक है. So we'll be starting with electric current and its effects. ठीक है. तो like my usual habit, क्वेश्चन रहेगा, आंसर करने के लिए आप लोग हाथ उठाएंगे. We'll start with the name of the chapter, electric current and its effects. So let me switch over to the attendees list. यहाँ से दिखेगा. Please switch on your camera everyone. We have 48 people in the meeting. ठीक है. So let us start with the online students. ये वर्ड जो है करंट, इसका क्या मतलब होता है? Raise your hand to answer. बुक की डेफिनेशन नहीं चाहिए एज यूजुअल. आई वॉन्ट अ लेमैन डेफिनेशन. जब आप वर्ड सुनते हो करंट, तो इसका क्या मतलब होता है? You can use the Teams app feature to raise your hands. Yes, Sarthak.
Sir, flow of electricity. The flow of electricity.
वो तो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट हो जाएगा ना. हमें करंट वर्ड का चाहिए. त्रैविध्य. आराध्य.
Sir, current means the time is going on, mean present.
ठीक है, जवाब तुम्हारा सही है, बट नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ द चैप्टर. यशमित.
Sir, current means electricity.
करंट मीन्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. नहीं, सही आंसर नहीं है. यस, क्लास में कोई सिद्धार्थ. फ्लो ऑफ अ चार्ज. तो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट हो गया ना. करंट वर्ड का क्या?
An energy produced by a wire through current.
फिर इलेक्ट्रिक आ गया. नहीं, ऐसे सबने सुन रखा है स्ट्रॉन्ग वाटर करंट, विंड करंट. ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट सुन रखा है ना.
सर, करंट और इलेक्ट्रिक करंट में भी डिफरेंस होता है.
तभी तो चैप्टर का नाम वरना सिर्फ करंट रहता. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. बैठ जाओ. SST में ज्योग्राफी में पढ़ रखा होगा ना कि जो अलग अलग ओशंस है उसमें करंट है. कहीं मोजाम्बिक है तो कहीं कुछ है. साउथ अफ्रीका. हाँ,
Ocean current.
हाँ, ओशन करंट. तो क्या उसमें भी बिजली बह रही होती? नहीं. वो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली डज दिस वर्ड करंट स्टैंड फॉर? यशमित, आई कैन स्टिल सी योर हैंड रेज्ड. रिचल.
Yes, sir. Sir, the current is the flow of electric charge carries like a electrician.
इलेक्ट्रिशियन तो वो है जो घर की इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ जाए तो उसे रिपेयर करता है. अच्छा, चलो कोई और ट्राई करना चाहिए. यस, भविष्य, आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर यू.
Yes, sir. Sir, current is a flow of energy that is it is come to our home in the form of electricity.
अच्छा, ठीक है. कुछ हद तक भविष्य की डेफिनेशन सबसे ज्यादा अभी तक कह सकते हैं सूटेबल. सही गलत नहीं कहेंगे यहाँ पे, सूटेबल. थैंक यू भविष्य.
Sir.
यस.
Sir, current is a thing which absorbs energy and passes through different devices.
कोशिश अच्छी है बट नहीं, पहुंच नहीं पाए. ये सार्थक, यू वांटेड टू आंसर. सार्थक.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, flow of anything in a speed.
Again, so where were we? कि current is always associated with the flow of something. The word current. ठीक है. या फिर उसका जो हिंदी वर्ड है उससे हमें इसकी मीनिंग समझने में थोड़ी सी आसानी होगी, वो क्या है, धारा। ठीक है, फिर से मैं वही एग्जाम्पल रिपीट कर रहा हूं कि ऋषिकेश या हरिद्वार में हम कहते हैं गंगा जी की धारा बहुत तेज है, करंट, पानी का करंट वहां पे बहुत तेज है। ठीक है, या फिर कहीं विंड करंट्स आपने एसएसटी में पढ़ रखे हैं, ओशन करंट्स आपने पढ़ रखे हैं। ठीक है, तो जहां पे जब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का जैसे आप हिंदी वर्ड देखोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, विद्युत धारा। विद्युत इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड धारा इज द फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, जो कि करंट, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट की डेफिनेशन। तो करंट वर्ड का कॉन्सेप्ट आपका क्लियर हो गया क्या? तब हम चैप्टर पे आगे जा पाएंगे। करंट स्टैंड्स फॉर द फ्लो ऑफ समथिंग। इन दिस केस सिंस वी आर स्टडीइंग दिस चैप्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, तो क्या हो गया, फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। अभी इसकी जो ओरिजिनल डेफिनेशन है साइंस वाली, वो थोड़ी सी डिफरेंट है, उस पर भी आगे बात होगी। पहले इसे देखते हैं। I need somebody to read. कौन रीड करेगा? गर्ल्स को, एक ही गर्ल है, आ जाओ। बुक लेके आ जाओ इधर, तो ले लो किसी से। स्टैंड हो गया, फेस द क्लास। अरे इधर फेस करना है क्लास के। हाँ, ठीक है।
You might have tried the
Wait.
game.
हाँ, अब थोड़ा सा मास्क कवर कर सकते हो और पढ़ो, थोड़ा सा और सामने पढ़ो, इसलिए कह रहे हैं थोड़ा सा इधर करो, फेस इधर करो, इधर फेस क्लास की तरफ। हाँ, नाउ दिस माइक गोज इन योर कॉर्नर।
You might have tried the game How Steady Is Your Hand, suggested in chapter 12 of class 6. If not, you may try it out now. Paheli and Bojo has also sent up the game by connecting an electric circuit as suggested in class 6. They had lots of fun trying it out with their families and friends. They enjoyed it so much that they decided to suggest it to a cousin of theirs who stayed in a different town. So Paheli made a neat drawing showing how the various electric components were to be connected.
ठीक है, यहाँ पे रुकेंगे। तो यहाँ पे बात चल रही है किसकी, किसी एक एक्टिविटी की जो क्लास 6 में चैप्टर 12 में आपने पढ़ी थी, जिसके बारे में कुछ पढ़ा था। उसमें था क्या कि कुछ कंपोनेंट्स को, कुछ पार्ट्स को जोड़ के एक सर्किट बनाया गया इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का। और जब ये एक्टिविटी पढ़ी थी पहेली और बूझो ने, तो दे हैड एंजॉयड इट। तो इन्होंने डिसाइड करा कि हम इसे अपने एक कजन को सजेस्ट करेंगे, दूसरी सिटी में है। तो उसने पूछा कैसे बनेगा, तो उन्होंने एक डायग्राम दिया पहेली में।
How can we connected the cell and prepare batteries for our activity? You may make a cell holder as shown figure 14.4. Use a wooden block, two iron stripe and rubber band. It is necessary that the rubber band hold the metal stripe turning. You could also buy cell holder by the market for making batteries of 2 or more electric cells. Please place a cell in them properly such as the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the next cell. Connected a piece of wire each to the
metal clips on the cell holder as shown in figure 14.5. Your battery is ready for use. The symbol using for representing a battery is shown in table 14.1. Let us now draw a current diagram of an electric current using symbol shown in the figure 14.1. Activity 14.1. Make an electric current shown in figure 14.7. You use a similar current in class 6th to make an electric bulb glow. Do you remember that the bulb glows only when the switch is on? Switch is in the on positive. The bulb glows as a position. The bulb glows as soon as the switch is moved to the on position. Can copy the electric current in your notebook. Make also a current diagram of the current using symbols for the various electric component in your diagram, similar to the one shown in figure 14.8. It is much easier. It is much easier to draw a current diagram using symbols. Therefore, we generally represent an electric current by its current diagram. Figure 14.9.
बस ओके वो हट गए पढ़ने की आदत डालनी चाहिए डेली पढ़ोगे ना हमारी आवाज जो है बहुत अच्छी होती है
Figure so 14.9 shows
मास्क बता के पढ़ोगे तो क्लियर आवाज आएगी सामने वाला भी समझेगा
Figure 14.9 shows another circuit diagram is identical to the circuit diagram shown in figure 14.8 in which a way is different. Would the bulb glow in this electric circuit? Recall that the bulb glows only when the switch is in the on position and the electric circuit is closed. In the bulb there is a thin wire called the filament which glows when an electric current passes through it. When the bulb gets fused, its filament is broken, and if the filament of the bulb is broken, would the circuit be complete? Would the bulb still glow? Or you might have noticed that glowing electric bulb become warm. Do you know why? Heating effect of electric current. Take activity 14.2. Take an electric cell, a bulb, a switch, and the connecting wires. Make an electric circuit as shown in 14.9. In this activity has to be done using only one cell. I'll keep the switch in the off position. Does the bulb glow? Touch the bulb. Now may move the electric switch to the on position and let the bulb glow for a minute or so. Again touch the bulb. Do you feel any difference after moving the switch back to the off position? Touch the bulb again. Activity 14.3. Make the circuit as shown in 14.10 and take about 10 centimeter long piece of nichrome wire and tie it between the nails. You can get nichrome.
Okay. Next. What is your name?
Sani Chandra. Activity 14.3. Make circuit as shown in figure 14.10. Take about 10 cm long piece of nichrome wire and tie it between the nails. You can get nichrome wire from an electric repair shop, or you can use a piece of discarded coil or an electric heater. Touch the wire. Now switch on the current in the circuit by moving the switch to the on position. After a few seconds, touch the wire. Do not hold it for a long time. Switch off the current. Touch the wire again after a few minutes. The wire gets hot when an electric current passes through it. This is the heating effect of the electric current. Can you think of any electric appliance where the heating effect of the electric current is used? Make a list of such appearance. You might have seen an electric room heater or an electric heater used for cooking. All these contain a coil of wire. This coil of wire is called an element. You may have noticed that when these appliances are switched on after connecting to the electric supply, their elements become red hot and give out heat. The amount of heat produced in a wire depends on its material, length and thickness. Thus, for different requirements, the wires of different materials and different lengths and thicknesses are used. The wires used for making electric circuits do not normally become hot. On the other hand, the elements of some electric appliances become so hot that they are easily visible. The filament of an electric bulb gets heated to such a high temperature that it starts glowing. If a large current passes through a wire, the wire may become so hot that it may even melt and break about. But
Okay.
it is
What is your name, beta?
Thank you.
गंदी बात dispositions. Mask.
But is it possible for a wire to melt and break? Let us check it out. Activity 14.4. Make a circuit we use for activity 14.3. Again, however, replace the cell with a battery of 4 cells, also in place of the decoder wire. Tie a thin strand of steel wool. The steel wool is commonly used for cleaning utensils and is available in groceries shops. If there are any fans in the room, switch them off. Now pass the current through the current circuit for some time. Observe the strand of steel wool carefully. Now what happens? Does the strand of steel wool melt and break? Wires made from special materials melt quickly and break when large electric currents are passed through them. These wires are used for making electric fuses. In all buildings, fuses are inserted in all electric circuits. There is a maximum limit on the circuit which can safely flow through a circuit. If by accident the current exceeds this, if by accident the current exceeds this safe limit, the wires may become overheated and may cause fire. If a proper fuse is there in the circuit, it will blow off and break the circuit. A fuse
fuse is thus a safety device which prevents damage to electric circuits.
चलो बैठ जाओ.